Hi, my name is Brian with Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio, and welcome back to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. Alright, we have a GE dishwasher here, and the complaint is that it won't start up. So if we try and select anything here, we're not getting any response at all out of the machine here. No lights, no nothing. So the tools needed for this repair are a Phillips screwdriver and an electrical tester. First thing I'm going to do is check that we have power to the dishwasher. So I'm going to remove the bottom kick plate here to the dishwasher to access the electrical that comes into the dishwasher, the electrical wire. Alright, so I'm just going to make sure that we have live power here, just with my electrical tester here, and it shows that we do have power. So what I'm going to do then, I'm going to put this back on, and we'll go and take the door apart. Alright, so we're just open the door here, and to gain access to the control compartment, we're going to take off the screws here, Phillips screws. Now we can separate the inner and outer door. I'm just going to snap the outer or the inner door into place there. And we're taking a look here at the outer door. This is our door switch assembly here. It looks like it's been taped together here. Alright, so by messing with the door latch switch there, pushing it in and out, we got our control to light up here. Looks like and it's been taped together before here, and it looks like that's going to be our problem, is that door switch mechanism. Alright, so what happens then, this is our door switch. There's a little actuator there for the door switch, so when you close this and it closes against this latch here, the latch pushes the switch closed, and then the unit starts working. And you can see when I push the switch closed, I have it on right now. I started it up on a cycle, so when I shut the door again, or by pressing this, simulating the doors being shut, it starts to fill with water and everything is working. So it's gonna need a new door latch mechanism here to take care of the issue. Alright, so we're just putting our door back together here. And we'll have to get the part and come back and repair it. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. Hi, my name is Brian with Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio, and welcome back to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. Alright, we have a GE dishwasher here, and the complaint is that it won't start.